Hi everyone, Wendy here with another Dev Diary. I thought today I'd do a really brief chat about how we make the rooms in Multiverse. There are three ways we can make rooms. The first uses a technique called procedural generation. The rooms are designed using XML, which is a markup language a bit like HTML. With the XML, we determine things like wall height, radius, whether there's a balcony, how many images we want. And the entire planetarium was built this way. It's really quick, very easy to do, very reproducible. But the major drawback is the rooms are all circular, so it does create limitations when trying to create interior rooms such as you might find in a house, unless of course you live in a lighthouse, which I might do that one day. The second way of building rooms is what I call a drag and drop in Unity. This uses pre-made building blocks, such as a wall slab with window, a floor slab, which you fit together a bit like Lego. It's a very quick way to build a room up very quickly. I made the studio space this way. And if you use bought-in assets or have a good asset pack, then you can get a really quite nice variety of finishes and shapes. However, the rooms that are made this way are very expensive in terms of polygon count, which is a major limiting factor for the Quest headsets, so we try not to use this too much. The final method is custom-made rooms using a modelling tool such as Blender. This method offers huge flexibility because you can basically design the room exactly how you want it with a very high-end finish. However, it's very, very time consuming and so it's not always the best, most efficient way of doing things, especially if what we don't want is a high-end finish and we want something just a bit more cheap and cheerful. The apartments and the theatre hall were all made using this method. So there we go, that's how we make our rooms. Next time you're having a wander around Multiverse, why don't you have a look and see if you can spot the differences.